Today, we're going to cover the top 4 things you can do to improve your email deliverability right now. Number 1, review your segmentation. Apple MPP is in full effect. Your engaged segments might not be as good as they once were. You might have to tighten up your filter. Also, it's a good idea to review your list cleaning and opt-in processes. Number 2, make sure you're authenticating. DMARC is good and set to reject. If you don't have BIMI yet, start the process. More ISPs are getting on board and it definitely helps you stand out from the crowd. Number 3, freshen your content templates. COVID is winding down and the general mindset of contacts is shifting. Audit what you're sending and what your clicks are like. It never hurts to test some new templates out to create a new fingerprint. Lastly, and probably the most impactful, try re-engaging your dead list with something like reengage.com. It lets you send to certain segments only when your subscribers are in their inbox. The result is a 30 to 70% legitimate open rate, even on your dead or inactive list. ISPs are looking for higher open rates and reward you in your email sender score. This lets you safely re-engage inactive subscribers and boost your deliverability at the same time. Check out the link in the description to get started.